Welcome to the fascinating realm of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship in the most profound ways. This art form has been cherished for centuries, bringing together the beauty of natural materials with the skill of handcrafting. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just beginning your journey, woodworking offers endless opportunities to express yourself and transform your living space. From the warmth of a handcrafted piece to the rich stories embedded in each grain, wood not only serves practical purposes, but also evokes emotions and memories. The tactile experience of working with wood, paired with the satisfaction of creating something unique, fosters a deep connection between the maker and the material. As we delve into the various ideas for woodworking projects and decorative wooden pieces, you'll discover the versatility and charm that wood can bring to your home. Imagine the possibilities of crafting functional art that enhances your surroundings while reflecting your personal style. Each project is an invitation to explore your creativity, whether it's through designing custom furniture, creating decorative accents, or repurposing reclaimed materials. Woodworking allows you to engage with your environment in a meaningful way, crafting pieces that not only beautify your space, but also tell a story, a narrative of your skills, inspiration, and the unique character of the wood itself. Join us on this journey to explore how woodworking can elevate your home decor and enrich your life. If you're enjoying this exploration into the world of woodworking and home decor, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated with our latest woodworking projects, tips, and creative ideas designed to help you transform your living space. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also find joy in crafting with wood. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you engaging content. We encourage you to stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll dive deeper into some exciting project ideas and techniques that can spark your creativity and elevate your woodworking skills. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how to bring the beauty of wood into our homes. Embracing natural beauty. A key aspect of woodworking is its ability to celebrate the natural beauty of wood. Each piece of wood carries its own unique characteristics, from the grain patterns to the knots and variations in color. By selecting high-quality, natural materials, you can create furniture and decor that not only serves a functional purpose, but also tells a story. This connection to nature can enhance the aesthetic of any space, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Utilizing various types of wood can also allow for a diverse palette, creating a harmonious blend of textures and colors throughout your home. Creating functional art. Woodworking allows for the intersection of functionality and artistry, where everyday items can transform into stunning focal points. This concept encourages the creation of pieces that not only serve a practical purpose, but also exhibit artistic flair. By thinking outside traditional designs, you can craft items that challenge the norms of furniture and decor. This approach not only makes your living space more interesting, but also instills a sense of pride in the craftsmanship, as each piece becomes a unique expression of creativity and skill. Layering textures. Incorporating various textures into your decor can elevate the overall design of your home. Wood, with its inherent warmth and tactile quality, can be used in combination with other materials like metal, fabric, or stone. This layering of textures adds depth and visual interest to your space. For instance, pairing smooth, polished wood with rough-hewn surfaces creates a dynamic contrast that can be both striking and comfortable. This interplay between different materials can help to define zones within an open concept layout, making it feel more cohesive and inviting. Personalized spaces. Woodworking offers the opportunity to create personalized pieces that reflect your style and needs. Custom designs can cater to specific dimensions, colors, and functionalities, ensuring that every piece fits perfectly within your home. This level of personalization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also makes your space more practical and livable. By considering your lifestyle and how you use different areas of your home, You can design pieces that optimize space and enhance daily routines, leading to a more organized and enjoyable living environment. Sustainability and reclamation. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability in woodworking. Utilizing reclaimed wood not only reduces waste, but also adds character and history to your decor. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries a narrative, which can be reflected in the finished product. This approach not only contributes to environmentally friendly practices, but also promotes a unique aesthetic that new materials cannot replicate. By embracing sustainability, you can create a home that reflects your values while also being visually appealing and rich in texture. Building community. Engaging in woodworking projects can foster a sense of community, whether through workshops, collaborative projects, or simply sharing ideas with friends and family. This communal aspect encourages the sharing of skills and techniques, allowing novice woodworkers to learn from those with more experience. By creating together, you not only produce beautiful pieces for your homes, but also strengthen relationships and build memories. This shared experience can transform woodworking from a solitary hobby into a collective journey of creativity and craftsmanship. Celebrating craftsmanship. Woodworking is an art form that celebrates craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each project offers an opportunity to refine your skills, from selecting the right materials to mastering various techniques. This dedication to craftsmanship can be seen in the quality of the finished product, which often stands the test of time. Emphasizing quality over quantity in your woodworking endeavors leads to pieces that are not only functional, but also heirlooms that can be passed down through generations. This focus on craftsmanship fosters a deep appreciation for the work involved and the stories behind each piece. Legacy of craft. Finally, woodworking can establish a legacy that extends beyond your own home. The skills and techniques learned through woodworking can be passed down to future generations, creating a lineage of craftsmanship. This legacy fosters a sense of connection to the past and to family traditions, enriching your home's narrative. By sharing your passion for woodworking, you inspire others to engage with their creativity, ensuring that the art of woodworking continues to thrive as a cherished practice in your family and community. Thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration in our exploration of woodworking and home decor. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more engaging videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who might appreciate the joys of crafting with wood. We invite you to stay tuned until the end, where we'll uncover additional tips and project ideas that can elevate your woodworking journey and enhance your living space. Your engagement not only fuels our passion, but also builds a community of fellow wood enthusiasts. We appreciate you being here with us,